Hey everybody, this is Mark, Five Angels Outdoor, and right behind me we have the Wrangler Rubicon. You haven't seen this lately, but we're going to be doing some work on it today, so we figured we'd show you what we're doing and see if that helps you decide if you'd want to do this. So what we're doing, we're coming around here to the back. As we look at the spare tire carrier, we are actually going to install the Suparee spare tire brake light. So just a little bit of a extra bit of safety and make it a little more visible as we brake with the Wrangler. So let's see what this is going to take. Well, I don't think this kit could be any easier to install looking at the parts included. So you have your instructions, and basically the light is all one piece. Electrical wire, we have a little splitter here. So looking at the instructions, we'll get that spare tire off. We'll open up the third brake light. We'll disconnect the plug of the third brake light, plug that into here, and pigtail this with it as well. So basically we're joining the electrical from the third brake light into here and then back to the third brake light. So like I said, it couldn't be any easier, and this will just bolt right on where the spare tire nuts are. So let's get at it. All right, the cover here, it was just a quick little Torx bit, turned it, cover pulled right off. So now basically it's just a matter of getting these bolts off. Let's get the right line up. Pull this tire. All right, the next step is to remove all the screws here in the third brake light. So that way we can get at that electrical wire. All right, so I'll finish up the rest of those. Be right with you. All right, now that we have the screws out, it's just a matter of prying off this faceplate. All right, there we go. All right, so we'll open that up a little bit. That way we can get at the outlet. All right, so this is how super simple this is. Basically, we're going to unplug the current, easy enough. Now, this comes with, as I said, 2 wires. So what it allows you to do is it allows us to plug this into the original wire. And that puts it into like a jumper mode. And then obviously we'll plug this one into here. There you go. So we should be able to get light. We'll get this thing up in there mounted and go from there. All right, so we have the wire threaded through. So really now it's just a matter of getting these screws all in. I might secure this really to here, but otherwise it's good, and we'll be able to zip this back up and then give her a test. All right, so we have the case all put back together, the wires threaded through, it's here. So basically right now, We're just at the point where we just have to throw the spare tire back on and then check it out. All right, and there's the final product. We have the spare tire light installed, as you can see, tested, and looking good. This is a simple modification for the Jeep, so hope you like this video. Don't forget to watch other content on our channel. Give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. So hopefully we'll be doing a little bit more to the Wrangler as time goes on, but thanks for watching. We'll see you.